everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Gary. Welcome, Gary. Welcome. Haven't seen you in a while, but welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. I hope everyone had a great trading day. All right. Let's see here. Now, I want to show you guys. Now, I sent out a video on Bitcoin. All right. So I sent this out, when was it? Last night. Bitcoin was about, I think, 67,000 and change, right about here. It's on the weekly time frame. And talked about Bitcoin needs to hold at 64,000. All right. All right. Welcome back, Gary. Welcome back, bud. Yeah, so we talked about the fact that Bitcoin needs to hold 64,000, right? And guys, this was just last night. Guess what? It's not holding. All right. So Bitcoin is at 62,000, and we were watching this area here, right here, right? This resistance area right here. So now Bitcoin is below that 64,000 mark. Now it hasn't closed below, so it still needs to close below 64,000. All right. So we'll see if it closes. And we could see Bitcoin move much lower. The next area of support is about right. We got some support right here at around 48. So we'll bring in a support line right about here. All right. So about 48,000 right here. 40. Where's 48? Right about here is 48. Anywhere in here. If it fails, right? If it fails to hold here, all right, then next support area is right at around 30,000. Okay. So we're a long way from that, but you guys know Bitcoin will move quickly. All right. So far, that let's move some of these. That's too complicated right there. We'll leave this out for now. All right. So just know right now, Bitcoin needs to hold the 64,000 mark. All right. So our Bitcoin traders, if you're long, be careful. All right. Be careful. All right. Dow was up. 320 points today. All right. So good up there on the Dow. NASDAQ was up. S&P was up. Russell was up. And here is Bitcoin here. Bitcoin's 1,700 points down. Look like it will get below 62,000. All right. So a lot of price action here. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Current long positions in Monster Scalper. All right. All right, so Aussie New Zealand still holding its long position, guys. All right, so buy signal here, nice price action. Guess what? We got a new yellow support and resistance, right? Support and resistance yellow right here, and looks to break higher. So we're looking to target next resistance up here. All right, so really good price action. Again, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Euro New Zealand, buy signal here, good price action, guys. We talked about the New Zealand pairs moving higher. Let's put this together. So Aussie New Zealand, all right, Euro New Zealand, really good price action there. And Pound New Zealand, buy signal here, nice breakouts, good trades going here. All right, so good trades. If anyone got into this trade, I know some of you got into these trades. Good job. And then the yen pairs. All right, nice move in the yen pairs. I saw some of your trades today. Thanks for sending me your trades. HKD JPY buy signal here. Nice move. Now these were high signals. They came in high. But nonetheless, still working out nicely. Breaking resistance here. Good price action. All right. Great to see the yen pairs move. It's always great to see that. Dollar yen, buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. Nice price action. Moving up nicely. Getting past resistance here. So dollar yen getting in on the action. SGD JPY. All right. So that's your Singapore dollar yen. Buy signal here. Nice price action. Look, cleared resistance. All right. Cleared resistance. Good price action. All right. If any of our traders missed these trades, don't chase them on the 240. Now you can go to your smaller time frames and find some opportunities long on your smaller time frames. But the 240, that's gone. All right. Pound yen. All right. Buy signal here. Nice move today, guys. Good job. Great job. Yen pairs broke resistance here in a nice way. All right. Pound yen. Euro yen. Buy signal here. Nice move higher. Getting past. We can move this resistance to about right here now. Okay, so it's getting past that area. Good job. Euro, yen, and CAD yen. Look at CAD yen. Really good markdown phase. Buy signal. Nice price action. All right, looking to break through resistance there. All right, CAD yen. USD, right? We saw the dollar pairs make a move. All right, so USD. SEK, buy signal here, holding nicely, right? Reach the target here, resistance, and then pull back a bit, all right? But still holding firm. And USD SGD, all right? Buy signal here, holding firm, all right? We're going to add, we'll go through those a bit later. We'll add some new dollar pairs, all right? All right, so great trades, great long trades going in Monster Scalper. All right. So the last wasn't quite a rotation, but the last move we had when the yen pair short. Some of you did really well. Now yen long, yen long. All right. Forex dominator long positions. Let's go through those. Forex dominator long positions. No, these have been holding for a while, so they're still holding. EURTRY is still holding right here. Buy signal here. Good price action. All right, looking to break through that resistance here. All right, near-term resistance. All right, all green candles, all yellow support and resistance lines. So just let it go. USD same thing, holding well. EuroCAD, that's holding. Euro Swiss, all right. Buy signal here, nice price action. Just be aware, right? Sellers are sitting right here at resistance, all right. And then pound Swiss is moving right along with Euro Swiss. Buy signal here, good price action, all right. So these trades are holding well, both in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. We have a couple of shorts in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those. So Swiss yen, and that's your Turkish yen. All right. So let's do Swiss yen first. All right. We need to close this trade. Okay. So let me show you guys. And these yen pairs, we see these yen pairs are breaking to the upside. So any shorts. So sell short signal was here on Swiss yen, right? Nice big candle came up, but that's on the wrong side. We need it to come down. All right. So currently, here's the price right here. So we're going to close this trade. Okay. So Swiss yen, close that trade, please. The other short we've got is TRY JPY, and it's still holding short here. Sell short signal here. I think the entry was right about here. So I'd keep an eye on that. If it gets a white candle, close the trade, please. All right. So those are the only shorts. All right. Only shorts there. We've got some trades in Monster Futures. And we also we brought out Monster ETF. So we'll take a look at those trades there. Two trades in Monster ETF. We'll start using Monster ETF more, guys. We've seen some good price action there. All right, E-mini, S&P E-mini, buy signal here. Good trade going there. Crude oil. Right, crude oil buy signal still holding, just holding. Lean hogs, right, moving up nicely there. Soybean, this is a new trade in Monster Futures. Soybean trade. Soybeans usually will perform well. All right. Good markdown phase, buy signal still holding, right? A bit of a pullback, but still holding firm there. Okay. Gold. So we had crude oil. Now we've got gold. Buy signal here. Nice breakout on gold. The gold is still holding. All right. I'm not trusting gold. Gold has had some really funny price action, a lot of consolidation. I mean, look at this here in gold. So we'll see if it holds. Russell. All right, Russell. All right, buy signal here, just holding. Russell is struggling here. All right. We need buyers to come back in, move higher there on the Russell. And then live cattle. Live cattle, good trade going here. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, we needed to get past resistance here, but good trade there. All right. Now I mentioned, let's see here, Monster ETF. So Monster ETF, we've got a couple of trades there. And we, as I mentioned, we'll start bringing out Monster ETF more. All right. So we've got some energy. All right. Energy stocks, energy, not stocks, ETFs. All right. So this is energy ETF buy signal here, gapped up, moving up nicely, holding firm. All right. And then we have another one here. All right. That's commodities. All right. Look at the markdown phase, guys. Let's go ahead and draw these in. All right. So really good markdown phase. Now, the risk reward, I mean, don't plan on big movements in these ETFs. All right. This is an area where, hey, you can put some capital to work. They'll move a bit slower, but it's good protection. All right. And we'll start doing this, using these ETFs just in case the market, if the markets, and we've seen a move in commodities too, but um, these ETFs will work as a hedge against the market. You know, we're at all-time highs. So if the market starts to sell off, we can see some nice short ETFs. They'll pop up and we could trade those long, all right? Rather than trying to do puts and options. All right. So um, that's energy there, and that's commodity. And we are seeing a move in commodity. All right. So a lot of the metals, crude oil, right? We starting to see them come off the bottom. All right. So, and commodities um, might be the only area where hasn't made all-time highs like the other markets, like Bitcoin and equities, and right. So remember, we're going to find these opportunities at the bottom. All right. So commodity index right here, buy signal here, nice price action. So we've got two in Monster ETF. All right. All right. Let's take a look at equities, see how equities did today. So current stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Oh, we still need these. Okay, hold on. We only have 30 something stocks in Stock Boss. So we're getting less stocks, guys, in Stock Boss. That's not good. And I think about 50 in Bullmaster. Hold on. All right. So Stock Boss, these are stocks over under $10. All right. So let's go through this quickly. If we've got a white candle, we can hold. Red candle, close the trade. White arrow, which is our sell signal, close the trade. Okay, so we'll go through these quickly here. Notice we have fewer stocks here, guys. So as the market is making highs, right? Guess what? The institutions, they're not buying as much. All right. So, right, we want to be selling, right? Selling when the market's making all-time highs, buying when it's making lows. Okay. All right. BLUE, that's holding white candles there. So just pay attention to that there. All right. ARQQ, that's holding. All right. That's holding. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on it. That's holding. Holding. White candle, keep an eye on that one. MRVI, that's holding. 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 Note has a white candle there, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it, please. NUVB. All right, let's see that here. I thought we closed this one. NUVB, close this trade, please. All right, reached its target. Big candle here. Buy signal here. All right, sell here. White candle, keep an eye on this one here. Hold in, hold in, hold in, hold in. Hawk looks good. Uh, all right, so that's it in Stock Boss. Most of these are holding. Nothing to change there. Bull Master. Now remember, sell in May and go away, right? Sell in May and go away. That's holding. Holding. All right, nice price action there. Holding. Good job. Holding. Most of these are holding, guys. All right, holding. SMG holding. That's holding. Let's move this. Right here. All right. HIW, that's holding. All right, holding. All right, ETNB. All right, so we've got a white candle here, came in today, guys. Previous resistance is support. All right, very choppy trading. All right, needed really to fill in that gap right here. Hasn't done so, so we'll close this trade. ETNB, close the trade, please. Holding, holding. So most of these are holding. Now it's an update in the market, so these stocks should hold on an update. All right, AMD gave a white candle here, broke support. I'm really struggling right here, guys. So we'll close that. All right, so AMD. I know it's a white candle, but it is struggling to hold, and it's high in the markup phase. All right, so coin, that's holding, and hood, that's holding also. All right, buy signal here. holding firm. No new support and resistance lines, so that's good there. We can remove this. All right. Now let's see heat seeker, just so you guys can see what's going on there. Okay. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Welcome, Anthony. All right. All right. So let's run heat seeker for stock boss. Now, I ran this early. I just want you guys to see. Only 37, guys. That's it. All right. So we need to be careful. Here's a good buy signal here on rig. All right. So we'll add this one. It popped up rig long. Well, obviously in stock boss. All right. So good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal there. We'll go through this quickly. Really shouldn't be buying stocks right now. That was a good setup there. That's not a bad setup. You're gonna do anything now. Good markdown phase. We just need these stronger candles. If we start to see more stocks coming in heat seeker, all right, we'll send out picks again, more picks, right? But 37 is not a lot, guys. That was up 320 points. We should see more stocks come through. And here's rig right there. So we'll send, that's the only one we'll send out to our stock boss traders. Okay, so 37 in stock boss. Bull master, I think we had about 50. All right, 55 in bull master. You guys know we normally get a lot more. I mean, that's not bad. All right. But considering the market, we should have a lot more. So the big institutions, they're not buying right now. Okay. So we'll wait. We talked about Bitcoin. Our US 30 traders, there was a good short here. All right. So if you guys had a chance to take this short, now we didn't call it. All right. Because it's still within, I know some of you took it. I heard from some of you, but we didn't call it because it's still within support and resistance, that box there. Okay. So we'll wait until it gets out of that area here. The buy signal came in here. A buy signal came in here, but it needs to break out. Look here, it's been failing. All right, all these right here, failing, failing, failing. So we need to get out of that zone, this zone here. All right, but this is a good trade going. But if anyone is in it, be careful. Sellers could come in like they did here and push that back. So if the market is down tomorrow, that could happen. Okay, and we caught between. If you guys look here on the daily, nothing happens unless that the daily time frame opens up. So a lot of consolidation on the daily is what's causing this type of action. All right. A lot of times we pay attention to this, right? But with the US 30 in particular, right, we want to make sure that price is breaking out and moving. All right. So the NAS, same thing with the NAS, guys. So just be careful. All right, protect your capital. And then the S&P, right? That's the NAS, S&P E-mini, right here. Same thing here. All right, so Just be careful. Just be careful. Yeah. All right. All right. Monster Scalper. Let's go through Monster Scalper. And we'll be done. We'll be done early this evening. All right. All the action. I want to show you guys. Look here. Look at the dollar. Right. We look to add some dollar pairs this evening. Dollar. Look here. Dollar got a green candle here. Finally. Right. Right. And if we can break through that resistance here, we could possibly get, all right, another buy signal, okay, on the dollar. All right. So, and it's currently up right now. All right. So um, let's take a look at the dollar pairs. So we've called $2 pairs so far. USD SEK. All right, monster scalper right here. So USD SEK, right? Buy signal here, that's holding firm. And the next one, USD SGD, right here. All right, good trade going here. Here is your markdown phase. And here is your markup phase right here. Buy signal, here is our target here. All right, so look for opportunities in these dollar pairs. All right, and look at this yen, mostly blue up, and look at the dollar pairs here. All right, so look for your opportunities. All right, dollar ZAR, buy signal here. No, it's choppy. It's choppy here, but that doesn't mean from here we couldn't get a trade. And hopefully it will move with the rest of the dollar pairs. All right, so buy signal here. It's still good, still early. That pullback helps here. All right, buy signal there and target right about here. All right, so dollars are long in monster scalper. All right, USD TRY, nothing here, not on. SGD, we're in SGD. SEK, we're in that. PLN, all right, PLN, we've missed it a bit right here, but let's do this. It's got a decent markdown phase. Now, if you guys, like I said, we've missed it a bit here. If you guys want to take it, do a small position. I wouldn't go large here. Now, if we'd gotten it right here, that buy signal would be better. All right, so buy signal here, it's holding here. The good news is got some room to move higher. Resistance, we can bring that up right here. Okay, so you've got some room for it to run. USD PLN. Long in monster scalper. Okay. And USD NOK. All right, buy signal here. A lot of consolidation in here. This could come right back in here, guys. So USD MXN. This is a tricky trade. It's tricky trade. Yeah. This one retraced. Good markdown phase. Now, our buy signal is here. We have a white candle, so it retraced, but we've got buyers looking to come in. I know it's hard to see this candle right here. See right here. All right. So if it recaptures that moving average, close on a green candle, right, that could move higher. So we'll add this USD MXN. And again, we should get help from the dollar index. Okay. All right. So USD MXN. Let's bring in a target. Let's move that up a bit. Right about here. Okay. We can bring it here, but let's give it some room. USD MXN. Long in monster scalper. Okay. USD HUF. All right. Nothing is there. Okay. HKD. Nothing there. USD. All right. We're going to add USD also. All right. I'm sorry, DKK, USD DKK. All right. So buy signal here. Now this is set up perfectly. We do have a purple support and resistance here, but it is near the buy here. Okay. Buy signal here. Nice pullback, and candles are holding here green. We need that to continue to move higher. So USD DKK long in monster scalper. All right. So we've got a move in the dollar pairs. USD CZK. All right. Same thing. Nice markdown phase. All right. Nice retracement. Buy signal here holding perfectly there. Okay. Target. First target resistance is right about here. This looks good to break through though. If it can get up to this area, it should. Looks like it could break through. USD CZK long in monster scalper. All right. Couple more and then we'll be done. USD CNH. All right. Choppy in here, but look here. All right. Doesn't look like much. But if this can break out. All right. So here we've got resistance. Let's put that resistance right here. All right. And there is your pullback. Remember, we need to buy from sellers. So we need sellers to buy from. This is a high buy signal, but the goal here is for it to test that resistance, which is a decent resistance, strong resistance, and then break out. Okay. So buy signal here, right? It's gathering. We need to break through that resistance here. If it fails, just close the trade. All right. USD CNH, remember, it's going along with the dollar pair. So it's got all that momentum on its side, all right, to help break through here. That's the goal. All right. And it is trading between tight support and resistance. All right. Right here. All right. So it needs to break through there. Okay. USD CNH, the last one. And Swiss, I'm sorry, two more. Swiss dollar Swiss. Now that's holding firm. Buy signal is here. It's gone a little bit, but not too far. That's gone about what 40 pips, 40 pips or so. But what we're looking for is this breakout. All right. So this on this trade in particular, we can't always do this. All right. So we buy signal here, but actually this is the trade here. We needed to hold above resistance and move higher, which it is doing currently. And this candle right here is moving higher. All right. So we'll add this. USD CHF. So we have these are basically all the dollar pairs, guys, giving buy signals. So that's a rotation. We've got a rotation in the dollar pairs. All right. USD CHF long in Monster Scalper, and then dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, right? Doesn't look very good here. All right, but it is. Let's bring that here. All right, it needs to get past this area. Buy signal here, right? Holding right here. Let's add that. If it breaks through that previous resistance, becomes support, breaks through here, close the trade. Okay, so dollar CAD, USD CAD long in Monster Scalper. Okay. Um, quickly the yen pairs. Quickly yen pairs. All right. See if we have any new yen pairs. ZAR yen, and then I promise we'll be done. Um, the ZAR looks like it could break out, guys, but look at that. I mean, there are better trades out there. SGD, we're in that one already. New Zealand yen. All right. So I'm glad we taking a look at this. Anthony, you on here? This might be a good setup, Anthony. All right. Good markdown phase here. So New Zealand yen, that buy signal came in today there. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Perfect buy signal. Look at that. All right. Markdown, accumulation, buy signal, target here. All right. And some of these yen pairs have been passing through their first resistance. Okay. All right. So that is NZD JPY. Long in Monster Scalper. That's a great setup. Great setup here. Pound yen we're in. Euro yen we're in. Swiss yen. No, we're not in that one. Swiss yen. That's gone. That's gone too far there. CAD yen, we're in CAD yen already. Aussie yen, we're not in Aussie yen. All right, so Aussie yen. Boy, this candle here, buy signal right here, but that big candle here. Hold on, let's see here. Take a look at the. That's the daily, so it could break out on the daily. On the weekly, on the monthly wants to break out. Weekly, we'll take a chance. Be careful with these trades. All right. I mean, we're gonna call this one on the weekly. All right, look at the weekly, getting ready to break out. So we might not get a pullback on here, but that's just what I think. All right, you guys know anything can happen. So we'll add it. All right, so Aussie yen, AUD, JPY, long in Monster Scalper. All right. Let's bring in our lines. And we're done. Keep an eye on Bitcoin, trading at 62. It's trading below 64,000. Remember, That's your big resistance. So traders are watching that area. All right. So if you're long Bitcoin, just be careful. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Have a great evening. I'll see everyone tomorrow. All right. Good trading. Good trading. Take care. Bye bye.